Hi, this is Pian from Astrordinary Imaging, and today I just want to talk about how this image was captured. This image was captured using a Nikon D850 and a Nikon 20mm f1.8G lens. The tripod mount that I used was a Gigapan Epic Pro panorama mount. This image consists of 35 frames and stitched together into a photosphere and rendered out as a 2D panorama in 2:1 aspect ratio. Shot size is about 20K by 10K, so it's 20,000 pixels across by 10,000 pixels down. The image was shot at Sugarloaf Rock, Western Australia. That's in the Margaret River region in a town called Dunsborough. It's a very popular tourist attraction by day and some of the best stargazing at night due to being about 3 hours south of Perth. There's very little light pollution and the population around that area is quite low. So you don't really see that many people in the Sugarloaf Rock region at night. Most of the time people are there during the day to capture sunset shots. So the shot itself was fairly straightforward. It's something that I've done several times before with a technique called Michael's light, where I'm using an off-camera flash which is triggered by the camera itself at the start of every frame. The off-camera flash fired for a total of 35 times during this entire image. Your end result, you'll get a very consistent lighting between each frame, and we wanted to capture the sense of a small person, big world, or in this case small person, big sky and big universe, just to get that sense of insignificance for the actual people in the image. So we purposely did not show their faces, so the viewer of the image can put themselves into the image and feel as if, and sort of imagine or fantasize what it's like to be there if they were them in the image. And I just want to go into the bit of technical details on how the image was edited using Lightroom, Photoshop, and Stitch using Auto Panel Giga. So let's go into the time lapse for that.